Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about struct and C++. Okay, so let's get started. So structs are basically a data structure that accepts multiple data types inside of it. So it can be used to kind of emulate a class. In C++ we do have classes though, but this could be useful in some time along the coding. Okay, so let's start by creating structs. So we basically create structs outside of the main scope. Let's create a struct, let's say point. Okay, point. So point is kind of a mathematical term. So this is going to have a x and y value. I'm gonna use floats, float x and float y. I could use float x, but we're gonna just use those. Okay, so this is my data type that I'm creating. So let's create a new. So this you can kind of instantiate or create an instance, but this is not the correct term though. It's more like creating an object, creating an interface to it. So to do that, we're gonna type point, which is my data type now. Point a, let's say, that's it, and we're gonna pass here, let's say a dot x is going to be 5.6f, and b, actually a dot y is going to be 1.2f. so we could type a dot x and l. So this is going to print the x-axis on the screen. So if we execute this, we should see 5.6, as you guys are about to see. You guys can see here. Okay, so I could access, let's say, I could point x value, and I could put see. It's not values though, it's value, just value. Y value. Let me come back. X dot y. Okay. Let's execute. So you guys will see that we do have this. So you guys can see here. Okay. So you guys can see it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna talk about the details on why this is needed in future video. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.